Hi there, analytics enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Analytics Pod, where we explore wonderful world of data. Today we are looking at emerging trends in data analytics. Whether you're a data guru who is still trying to figure out how to make sense of spreadsheets, stick around. We're about to unpack all the latest buzzwords in data, and trust me, there's a lot. So let's jump right in. Let's start with number one, the rise of augmented analytics. Gone are the days where data analytics meant sitting in a dark room, manually sifting through endless rows of numbers. Okay, some of that still happens, but it's getting better. Augmented analytics is here to help. With the power of machine learning and AI-driven insights, these fancy systems can spot trends, anomalies, and patterns faster than you can say a pivot table. So what does this mean for you? Data analysis is becoming more user-friendly. Even non-technical folks can generate insights with just a few clicks. Platforms now recommend what kind of chart to use or which predictive model might be best. It's like that super smart friend that always tells you the right answer in class, except they never make you feel bad about not knowing. So just think of augmented analytics as your personal data assistant. It's a bit like having Jarvis from Iron Man, if you watch the Iron Man movie, minus all the snarky comments. Number two is real-time analytics. If you ever try to track your online orders in real time, you know how addictive it is to see every movement of your package. The same is happening in data analytics. We want real-time insights and we want them now. So why does real-time matter? Businesses can make instant decisions, adjusting pricing and marketing strategies on the fly. Streaming platforms can analyze what you're watching in real time to make suggestions on your next series. IoT devices are pushing data 24/7. Our smartwatches track our steps, our fridges track our groceries. Let's not talk about how many times the fridge is opened for late night snacks, which is often. With real-time analytics, we can respond to trends almost as quickly as they happen. It's data that's basically live streaming our lives, which is kind of cool and kind of terrifying at the same time. Next up, data democratization. And this is the movement to make data accessible to every level of an organization, not just the data elites. Why does this matter? Marketing teams, sales reps, and HR folks can make data-driven decisions without having to wait on the data science team. Self-service analytics tools let you drag and drop your way to inside heaven. No coding required, just a willingness to learn and maybe more coffee, as I like to drink. More people using data equals more creative solutions. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, so data literacy is on the rise. If everyone can access data, they also need to learn how to interpret it correctly. Otherwise, we'll have a new wave of creative chart interpretations that might rival modern art. Next up is number 4, edge analytics. We've all heard about the cloud, right? But what about the edge? In the simplest form, edge analytics means processing data close to the source, on the device itself or near it, rather than sending everything off to a giant server farm in the sky. Your smart home security camera processes video footage locally to detect suspicious activity before sending alerts. Manufacturing plants use sensors and analytics on factory floors. They don't wait for the cloud to say, hey, that machine's about to explode. They want immediate detection and prevention. Edge analytics reduces latency, which is wait time, and cuts down on bandwidth usage, and can be a lifesaver in remote locations without reliable internet. Plus, it's part of why your phone's Face ID can recognize you instantly. Number 5 is privacy and ethical analytics. Let's be honest, data collection can feel pretty creepy at times. Ever mention vacation in Hawaii in a conversation and next thing you know, your feed is full of tropical ads? That's where privacy and ethical analytics comes into play. Regulations like GDPR are enforcing companies to rethink how they collect and store data. Ethical analytics is about using data responsibly. No more tracking users without consent. No more shady data deals. Allegedly. Companies are now working on methods to anonymize and pseudonymize data, ensuring personal details stay private. Yes, we want amazing insights, but we also want to respect people's boundaries. So no more, oops, we accidentally leaked your entire personal history. That's never a good look. Number 6, no-code and low-code solutions. A new era of accessibility. Remember when you needed a computer science degree just to whip up a data pipeline? Now we have no-code and low-code platforms. They are basically analytics on training wheels, but the wheels are so good that even pros use them. So what does this help with? Well, think about drag and drop interfaces to connect data sources, build models and create visualizations. Faster prototyping of ideas. Great for business stakeholders who want to see quick results. It opens the door to citizen data scientists, people who aren't data scientists by title but can still deliver valuable insights. Number 7 is natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is that magical branch of AI that helps computers understand and interact with human language. Chances are you've already experienced NLP if you've ever used voice assistants like Alexa or Siri, or typed into a chatbot that gave you a reasonably useful answer. Using everyday language, instead of writing complex SQL queries, you can literally type, "Show me last month's sales by region." Automating text analysis from social media sentiment to analyzing customer feedback. Building better recommendation systems that understand context, not just keywords. Finally, let's talk about predictive analytics powered by advanced AI. It's one of the hottest areas because who doesn't want to predict the future? Whether you are forecasting sales, anticipating customer churn, or even predicting the spread of diseases, AI is getting better and better at making highly accurate guesses. So what makes this exciting? Well, deep learning algorithms can crunch massive datasets and find patterns humans would miss. Companies can integrate these predictions into automated decision making, like adjusting marketing campaigns in real time or optimizing supply chains. AI is even being used for prescriptive analytics. Which doesn't say what might happen, but why it might happen and how to improve it. We are not fully replacing human intuition, at least not yet, but we are definitely giving it a high-tech upgrade. Think of it like wearing futuristic glasses that highlight potential trends and outcomes. It's not magic, it's just data on steroids. Okay, data dudes, that wraps up our journeys through some of the emerging trends in data analytics. We've touched on augmented analytics, real-time insights, data democratization, edge analytics, privacy and ethical considerations, no-code, low-code solutions, NLP, and the wondrous world of AI. These trends are shaping how we handle, interpret, and act on data every single day. From your smartwatch telling you to finally stand up for a minute, crazy, to global corporations using AI to optimize billions in inventory. Data is everywhere and is only getting more accessible, faster, and more powerful. If you learned something new, or at least got a laugh out of me trying to make analytics sound fun, hit that like button and share this video with your fellow data dudes. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Analytics Pod for more deep dives into the world of data. Let's keep exploring those spreadsheets together. Until next time, happy analyzing, and I'll catch you in the next episode. See ya.